Welcome to Redline Review. The electric 2026 BYD campervan combines excellent engineering with creative, useful interior design. This fast, luxurious, and stylish zero-emission RV is made by BYD, one of the top producers of electric vehicles globally. Performance: the dual-motor all-wheel drive electric propulsion system of the 2026 BYD Motorhome produces 600 horsepower and immediate torque. Between charges, it can travel 700 kilometers, 435 miles. The RV can be charged to 80% capacity in 35 minutes using BYD's Blade battery. Its sophisticated suspension system and low center of gravity make it whisper quiet, smooth, and steady at highway speeds. External design: smooth aerodynamic proportions, a large panoramic windscreen, and LED matrix lighting define the modern look. The RV is driven by 22-inch aerodynamic wheels and a fully integrated solar panel rooftop. Its sleek front fascia and the iconic BYD lighting strip give it a contemporary appearance. Gorgeous interiors, eco-friendly materials, and modern smart home technologies are elements of this stylish green interior. The main bedroom has a king-size memory foam bed, LED mood lighting, motorized curtains, and a personal entertainment system. Walls that absorb noise improve comfort and seclusion. The bathroom suite has a touchscreen-controlled anti-fog mirror, a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a smart toilet with a bidet. Clean water systems make use of BYD's filtering technology. Living area: a spacious living area with a 65-inch retractable smart TV, vegan leather couches, a foldable desk, and an opaque or translucent panorama glass ceiling. The kitchen features a smart induction cooktop, a computerized inventory managed refrigerator, a touchscreen controlled oven, and a small dishwasher. Worktops made of quartz can be recycled. Control of climate and light: smart sensors allow you to regulate the lighting and temperature in your home. The voice assistant, smartphone app, or primary touchscreen can be used to operate everything. Technology and features: an integrated solar array for backup energy and off-grid support, a clever energy management system for economical power consumption, semi-autonomous highway cruising with BYD Intelligent Drive Assist, an AR windscreen for navigation and hazard detection, satellite internet and global 5G connectivity, and a concealed garage for e-bikes or scooters. Beyond a car, the 2026 BYD Motorhome is an all-electric, self-sufficient, and fashionable mobile home. Modern travelers may benefit from this RV's creative design, cutting-edge performance, and eco-friendly comfort, whether they are camping or going abroad.